Because if you don't meditate and if you are not mindful, then and finding the right balance is not an easy thing. See, that inner guidance is the key. Without clarity, you cannot take any right decisions. It is for this reason meditation and mindfulness becomes a necessity. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, if you want to be a successful businessman, meditation and mindfulness is not a choice, it becomes a necessity. If you want to be an employee, then meditation is your choice. But if you want to be an employer, then meditation and mindfulness is a must. Because if you don't meditate and if you are not mindful, then you cannot take the right decisions. Or in this particular case, the question is they have to let go of some people and they are emotionally, they are not able to take the decision because they are worried about the repercussions. So you have to see business as a business. You cannot mix your humanly emotions with the decision making of the in a business. See, definitely the consideration should be there. You should consider the well-being of the employees. The consideration should be there, but not at the cost of your own destruction. So not at the cost of your company's future. So you need to find the right balance. And finding the right balance is not an easy thing. And finding the right balance needs a lot of inner guidance. There are two kinds of guidance we get. One, external guidance, and another is inner guidance. How to operate in the external world? The external guidance might be helpful. How to operate in your inner world? It's always the inner guidance which helps you. So, to be a businessman is not an easy thing. You need very high intelligence. You need high EQ, emotional intelligence. And also, you need to have high SQ, which is spiritual intelligence. So, emotional intelligence along with spiritual intelligence makes a successful businessman. So, when you make meditation and mindfulness as part of your daily practice, then you will find this right balance how to take decisions, when to take decisions. See, that inner guidance is the key. External guidance you can get from motivational talks, or you can read some books, or you can use the AI to get all the external guidance of how to execute certain things. The execution part can be from outside. How to execute, why to execute, when to execute, those can be from the external source. But the decision has to be made from internal. To make a decision, you need a lot of clarity. Without clarity, you cannot take any right decisions. To make a right decision, you need to have a lot of inner clarity. For that, meditation and mindfulness becomes very much essential. In other words, a necessity. So the answer is the more you meditate, the more you will be guided from within, and very naturally, you will take right decisions. So, this is the formula of a successful execution, decision making, and also execution of the business.